The E3 error code on a washing machine indicates that the appliance is unbalanced, often accompanied by beeps. This error code appears on the digital display and is typically caused by a few common issues. One possible cause is that the top lid is open, as the washer requires the lid to be closed in order to fill with water. Wash, rinse, drain, and spin the load. Another cause is overpacking the washer, which can lead to uneven distribution of clothes and result in the error code. When the washer is overloaded, clothes cannot move around freely, failing to soak in water and detergent properly, and exerting unnecessary stress on the tub bearings and motor, potentially damaging the appliance. To resolve the issue, start by ensuring the top lid is secure before spinning. If the lid is open, close it and check if the error code is no longer displayed and if the washer has resumed operation. If the lid is damaged, consider replacing it. Additionally, stop the spin cycle and redistribute the clothes evenly around the wash plate, avoiding piling them too high in the machine. Remove some clothes if the washer is overfilled, and then restart the spin cycle. If these steps do not resolve the issue, it may be necessary to contact a service technician to inspect and repair the appliance, ensuring it continues to run properly.